CWL Crossweb Labeling Systems, made in Australia. Opting for made in Australia products not only champions domestic craftsmanship, but also ensures superior quality control, reflecting the high standards of Australian manufacturing. Benefits of using products made in Australia: stable, predictable prices without tariff uncertainty. Stable and faster delivery with supply chain issues minimized. We design and manufacture in Sydney and use the products we manufacture.
High-performance cross-web labeling system. Each machine is tested and certified before leaving production.
Most of our products are designed for the use to the food manufacturing, such as small goods, meat, dairy and seafood industry. Our CWL labeling systems automatically applies pressure-sensitive labels onto the bottom or onto the top of the package after the sealing station. The CWL labeler is fast, precise, and built to the highest standards. Benefits: rapid return on your investment. Reduce your labor costs. Improve labeling accuracy to plus 0.5 millimeters. Labels conform to most product contours. Exceeds hygiene and sanitation requirements. Minimizes inspection and maintenance costs. Remote control and monitoring. Protection IP64.
We offer the machines and the support backup.
CWL Global Distributor Network.
Do you need more information about our products and services? Please reach out to us. We are ready to help. Find your contact person on +6 12 72 05 2170.